guys, this is Tornado Tom, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a jumping spring crescent kick. Right, so guys, step one of a jumping spring crescent kick, you need to get in a strong stance, and then you need to jump in the air, but it's a 360 jump. So jump and land in your stance. I do that again. So jump and land in your strong stance. Right, step two of the jumping spring crescent kick. So when you've done your 360 jump, you need to do a 360 again, but your knee needs to be out this time. So I'll do it slowly. And knee. I'll do it again. Jump, spin, and knee. Okay. Then step three. When you've got that, now we're going to actually do the jumping spring crescent kick. So I'll do it slowly first. So jump, spin, then kick. And again. Jump, spin, and kick. Guys, thanks for watching. If you want to do the jump spring crescent kick as high as me, please practice and stretch. And remember to subscribe, comment and like. Bye!